Hi, last time we talked about the PID controller, and I showed you how I designed the whole circuit. And just to make it clear, this is the model I used to step up the 12 volt to 24 volts. This is the IC that's used for stepping up, and you will adjust the voltage using this potentiometer. So from this I'm going to making the PCB or the PCB. Let us go to there. Here you will see the duplicated kind of the same resistor using through technique or the SMD. If we go to the 3D viewer, it will be easier to understand what I am talking about. Here R10 and R9 is the same thing, but you apply either the through-hole option or the SMD. So you have it here, all these are the same, you choose one of them, and you have in other places the same thing. For example, here R4 and R3, the same here, R5 and R6, but not the the MOSFET also the same, but some of them is in this side and others are on the other side. If we go to the other side, you will see that there are some SMD MOSFET or one SMD MOSFET. It is for the heater. Now some of the components will be under the LCD, or under the LCD, so you know that you need to I used some female pin list here, or pin array, to not solder the Arduino itself directly to the PCB, and as a socket it will be easier, and you make it possible for you to put the through-hole component and other components, because otherwise it's not possible to put some components there under the Arduino. The same for the LCD, you have to make kinda the same thing, so you don't mount the LCD directly to the PCB. So those the model you will this model you will put it here and you solder directly to this. This is a connector, here the same is a connector. This is for the heater, and this is for the 12 power in, and that's all. It's not so complicated. You have U4 here and not much more. R17 is here also, maybe it's the same as you have to look at the schematic to know what R17 is. This is the optocoupler. This version must be okay, and the Q1 and U1 should be okay. The same for the SMD component. I made the footprint in the first version wrong for Q2 and Q1. The same for U1, maybe I made a mistake, but it should be now okay. But please, you can check it by yourself also. This is for the sensor. It's near to the Arduino, but you mount cables here, not exactly the model, because you should put the sensor inside the incubator box. and the PCB is like here. These files will be uploaded to the GitHub so you can check it by yourself, and I use the latest Kicad, so please update your Kicad. The big traces is for the 12 volt because you need a lot of current to be going through the PCB to the heating elements. And the whole board is covered by the grounding, which might make it a little bit difficult to solder, but it shouldn't be impossible. Okay, hope this will help you to make your PCB and build your own PCB. This connector is for the rotary encoder, so you can put a pin connector here. Okay, thanks for watching.